Welcome everyone. I'm Marie Langer, CEO of EOS. We're a pioneer in additive manufacturing, industrial 3D printing since actually 30 years. And are of course one of the market leaders in that space in providing solutions in the area of metals and polymers for our customers. So I cannot click my slides yet, so it would be great if we could go one slide further. So what I want to start with is kind of introducing you our ecosystem and of course our group of companies that we work within and work towards PM solutions with our customers along the entire process chain, actually. You can see our group of companies where we not only provide serial production systems on industrial grade level, but are also providing custom machines to our customers in the space industry, in the medical industry with ACM, and are offering also with ALM, EOS and other companies materials in the polymer and metal space, and also customized materials with AMP. And actually also do a lot of consulting and actually accompanying our customers on their way to AM with Additive Minds, our consultancy group. And you see that we also invest in our family office and a lot of startups across the process chain, going from software to materials, of course also systems and post-processing, all with the intention to invest in complementary technologies, but also disruptive technologies. Always stay the innovation pioneer in that space. And we have a lot of strategic partners on the software side and the manufacturing side we cooperate with. On the next slide, you also can see the industries we actually work in. So the most focused industries we target are humaneering, we call it like that. So it's the medical space, and then the consumer goods area, advanced mobility, so everything that goes around automotive and mobile driving, and space enablement, so aerospace. And of course, a lot that we see in the space industry right now popping up in the US and in Europe and in Asia. And every day we actually work with incredible customers. You can see many of them here. Some of them we are not allowed to mention, but so we want to make sure that they all reach industrial grade level with our technology as a solution provider. So now going forward one step, you can see here again my dad. He founded EOS 30 years ago, always making sure that we pioneer innovation with our technology and actually move our customers from rapid prototyping to serial production with this technology. To a global reach actually that we have right now in Europe, in the US and in Asia. And with that, we're actually making sure that we also collaborate with a lot of partners as well. And what is really important for me is to now put that onto a new level, also how we use our technology and how we make sure that manufacturing becomes more green. We actually call it responsible manufacturing at EOS. And that's something where we, over 1 year ago, laid the ground to make sure that we establish this technology, AM, as the new normal in manufacturing, as a responsible manufacturing technology. And on the next slide, you can see our purpose. So our company purpose now evolved into it. Just wait until you can see that. Evolved to make sure that we exist to accelerate the world's transition to responsible manufacturing with industrial 3D printing. And we totally understand that we're not there yet. So there's a lot of things that we still have to do. We need to make sure that we provide systems that have 0 to very low powder wastage. We need to make sure that the overall energy consumption of the systems goes down when looking at whole pilot factories and how to industrialize applications. We, of course, need to make sure that we use software for that. And I think that's something we started very well in the industry now, is that we start to collect real data. And actually, we have a very impressive customer case right now we do in the eyewear sector together with Yomavo, where we could already prove that additive at scale industrial grade production is more responsible, more sustainable than conventional manufacturing. And what we could show there is actually that the CO2 footprint of additive frames is 50% lower than with conventional manufacturing. And these are the things that we actually are targeting. So we look at specific applications, we look at biodegradable materials, and we look at software and factory planning and how we can make sure with industrializing our technology to really establish additive manufacturing as a new norm.